Hey guys, what's up? Come with me, not come with me, but I'm about to create some content, so I'm gonna just bring you guys along to show you how I create my content when time comes. Yeah, usually usually I just take one day if possible and get it done. I have Trish, she'll do my hair if necessary, but definitely do my makeup, and then she helps me take all the photos. If Trish is not available, I do my makeup myself, and then I just use my trusty tripod and a clicker, and then I just take no, like why as I'm doing my thing. All right, so let's use a clicker and take all the pictures. Okay, so today we're shooting content for Shein and also Lovelet. Okay, so let's show you how I do that. All right, so here are some of the outfits. Don't worry, it's crushed up now, but they're gonna be ironed. Okay, so this is from Shein X, as you can see. So this is one, it's cute, and then a couple here. And then here's Trish. These are the stuff for like Lovelet. Yeah, Lovelet is more like the intimate wear. So we have bras and like this one nightgown.
They're super comfy, guys.
Yeah, so we're gonna take some pics in that. So those are two. Say hi, Trish.
Hi, everybody.
So here's a sneak peek of the first look. Tell me this isn't like the cutest. Oh my god. It's so cute. I love it. All right, so this is one of the outfits that I need to take pictures in, but it's so freaking cute. I don't even think I want it, because if I, you don't want to take a picture of it and post it. But like you guys know, whenever I take a picture of something, sometimes I don't wear it again or whatever, but this. It's so cute. Oh my God, so Trish says, don't take a picture in this one. So usually when they send me stuff, they send me more than what I need. But I feel like this is so cute to be worn like somewhere. So cute. But actually, it got too dark to take the rest of the pictures. So today we're taking the rest of the pictures in the other outfits. So this is one of them. Now this one is like a shirt dress, kind of cute. If I just want to run somewhere and like, not show the butt too much, but yeah. And of course I'll show pictures of like the other outfits. My phone ran out of memory, so I couldn't get the video too much. Bye. That was it.
A vision of my nails in the kitchen, scratching, counting.